Katie's Cool Creations, and for today's summer video, I will be showing you guys how to make DIY summer coasters, or just any coasters, but they're mostly summer themed. So I am very excited to show you guys how to make them. They are so cool looking. I just can't wait to show you guys how to make them. And if you're like me, I have a water bottle that I drink out of, and it constantly sweats water, so I thought I need to get some coasters, but better yet, I need to make some coasters. So that is what today's video is going to be. And if you're new here to my channel, it would make me so happy if you scroll down and click that subscribe button so you never miss any of my new fun videos. And without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. Okay guys, so the supplies you need to make these super awesome drink coasters is some cork, which I'm using some cork board from my local craft store, and then some paintbrushes of your choice, and then lastly, some paint. So first, to start out, you can just take a coaster from a restaurant or any square shape and take a Sharpie marker and just trace around the coaster, and then take some scissors and cut on the black line until you have a square shaped coaster. And here is my cork all shaped into a square shape, and now I'm taking a napkin or a tissue or whatever and placing it on my table, and then putting the cork on top of that and taking some paint. My color choice right here is teal, and the design I want to make is a watermelon. So instead of having a plain background, I thought I would make the background teal so it is a little more summery. So here I am just painting on all the cork, even the edges, because I want mine to look as good as possible. And now you can just let your cork sit and dry. And here's the cork after all the paint is dry, and now I'm just going to start painting on the watermelon. So for the watermelon color, I'm going to be using pink for the base of the watermelon. So here I am just drawing on the watermelon and filling that in. And now you can just let that sit and dry as well. Now I'm taking a green paint for the outline of the watermelon, just for the bottom, and just draw that on until you cover the whole bottom of your watermelon. And let that sit and dry for one last time. And once your watermelon has fully dried, you can take a Sharpie marker or black paint. I thought it would be way easier to use a Sharpie marker just to draw on the seeds. And I am only drawing like 5 probably. So you don't have to cover yours in seeds, but that is just totally optional for you. And here's the watermelon coaster all completed. I really like it. It also really reminds me of my older DIY videos. And for this second coaster, we're just going to be making a really pretty design. So all you need is some paint and some Scotch tape. So first, I am putting the tape on another cork square that I just cut out, and I'm making like a design with this tape. So I want it to be just like this, and in this top corner, I am just going to be adding some teal paint to the corner and just painting that on. And now I'm taking some of my white paint and dipping the paintbrush right into the paint so I can just start painting. And I am going to be painting the middle part of the coaster in between the tape. So just follow along if you're trying to do this. Bear with me. It doesn't look that good right now, but believe me, it will look so good in the end. Now for the next and last section of our coaster, I'm going to be using some gold metallic paint, and I'm just going to start painting that onto the bottom right corner. And now just let that coaster sit and dry as well. Once that coaster is fully dry, just peel off the tape just peel off the tape, and then you'll see the awesome design. Are you kidding me, guys? This is so pretty. I honestly love this one so much. Let me just tell you, this one is my favorite out of the whole video. Let me just say that. Now you can take one last cork square, and I'm going to be painting the background yellow, and if you guessed it, for the last design, it is going to be a really summery donut. So like I said, for the background, I'm going to be painting it yellow, so here I am, just painting it yellow. And now you can let it sit and dry, and here it is after it is fully dry. And it is pretty yellow. I like it. I like it that way. And for the base of the donut, I'm going to be using this tan color. It doesn't show up tan on the camera, but believe me, guys, it is tan. It looks orange on the camera, but it's not. So all you want to do is make a circle with the paintbrush and the paint, of course, and just keep doing that. And you also want to make a middle circle in the middle of the bigger circle, if that makes sense, and let that sit and dry. You can take a pink color or just any color that you want. For the frosting, I am just using pink, so that's what I'm doing. Here I am just making like little hills, just little hills, I guess. I don't know what else to call it, but that is just like the icing dripping off of the donut, I guess you would say. And then you can just fill it in until it is all filled in. And now you can just let that coaster sit and dry. After it is fully dry, this is what it should look like, or something similar to this, hopefully. And I am just going to be taking some Sharpie markers, a blue one, a yellow one, and a purple one, and I'm just going to be drawing on some sprinkles. You can also use paint if you want to make it harder for yourself, but I wanted to make it easier, so I am using some good old Sharpie markers. And just fill your donut up with sprinkles because it makes it look way, way much better. Wait, so much better. That's what I meant. And here is all three of my coasters all completed. Please let me know if you were able to follow along with this tutorial and if you made any coasters like mine. I would love to know what you guys say. So I love these coasters so much. So that is it for today's video. And these coasters turned out so good. Like I said, probably a lot of times, but they're just so cute and they are so useful in my opinion. Please let me know down below if you will try them out. And if you have been enjoying these summer videos, you know what to do. Just give this video a big thumbs up. I would love to know if you've been enjoying these videos. And if you haven't already, let me know down in the comment section what summer video ideas you want me to do in the future before this summer ends, because I feel like it's going to end so soon. So I'm trying to fit in as much stuff as I possibly can. And I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next video.